Places is choreographed by Britt Beresik and Juan Gonzalez. It is a 32 count 2-wall beginner contra with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn on and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. And during that time, we'll talk about the parts that allow you to have fun as a contra dance, or the ones that pass through each other to make it a contra dance. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts before going around doing a couple rotations of the dance so that you can dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Amigos in Low Places. When you are setting this up as a contra dance, you are going to be alternating people. So you want to make sure that you're in each other's windows so that when you pass through, you're able to just go through each other without any worry. So section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a vine with a cross to the right. We're going to step our right foot side, left behind, right side, left cross. You're now going to step your right foot to the right side. You're going to swivel both heels to the right, both toes to the right, and you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, hitching your left knee up. You'll be at 9 o'clock. So let's try that part with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're stepping your right foot to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to step our left foot forward. You're now going to take your right foot. You're going to lock it in and behind your left foot. And now we're going to do a left shuffle forward, stepping forward with your left, right together, left forward. We're going to do a step half pivot, stepping forward with our right and over your left shoulder. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping down onto your left foot. You're now at 3 o'clock. You're now going to step forward with your right foot. You're going to make a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. You're now at 12 o'clock. So let's try that part with some counts. We just hitched. You're going to step, lock, and shuffle. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're now going to be lined up in between partners to start section 3. Section 3, we're going to cross rock, recover. As you cross rock your right over your left, you're going to give that person to your diagonal a high five. You're going to recover onto your left foot. You're going to do a side chassé to the right, right together, right. Now you're going to cross rock your left over your right, and as you cross rock your left over your right, you're going to bump left hips with the person that is into the diagonal. So you're going to bump your hip, crossing that left over your right. You're going to bump left hips, recover, and you're going to do a side chassé with the left, left together, left. So let's try that with some counts. Cross rock high five. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4. This is the section that's going to allow you to pass through your lines. So you want to make sure after your bump and side shuffle that you have an opening between the two people across from you. You're going to do 2 shuffles forward. So we're going to step forward with our right, right forward, left together, right forward. We're going to repeat with that with our left, left forward, right together, left forward. We're now going to do 2 walks forward, stepping right, left. And as you step forward with the left foot, this is going to be your half turn over your right shoulder. So you're stepping down on that left. You're going to make a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 6 o'clock. And you're going to cross that left over your right. And then you're ready to start the dance all over again. So let's try that part with some counts. We have our window. You're between 2 people. You're going to shuffle right and left. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready to start the dance all over again. So now let's turn around and do the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Weight is on that left foot. Stepping your right foot to the side. Side behind, side cross, side heels, toes, quarter hitch, step, lock, shuffle, step, half pivot, step, quarter pivot, cross rock, high five, recover, side chassé, cross rock, hip bump, recover, side chassé, shuffle right, shuffle left, step, right, step, half, cross. And you're ready to start the next wall. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left foot. You're stepping your right foot to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And at this point, when you're starting the next line, you will be facing the other line, because as you're traveling forward, they are also traveling forward, so you'll be switching places. So now let's go around. We're going to do a couple rotations of the dance. So we'll do 2 front walls, 2 back walls, alternating between steps and counts. So on the front walls, I'll do steps. Back walls will have counts. When you're lining up, make sure that you're lining up in people's windows so that you have space to pass through each other. Weights on that left foot, stepping to the side. Side, behind, side, cross, side, heels, toes, quarter hitch. Step, lock, shuffle. Step, quarter pivot. Step, half pivot, cross, rock, high five, recover. Side together, side cross, rock, hip bump, recover. Side together, side, right shuffle. Left shuffle. Step, step, half, cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side, behind, side, cross, side, heels, toes, hitch, step, lock, shuffle, step, half step, quarter pivot, cross rock, high five, recover, side together, side, cross rock, hip bump, recover, side together, side, right shuffle, left shuffle, step, step, half, cross, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the end of the dance. You'll just dance it the rest of the way through. So when you're doing those shuffles, you want to make sure that you're still pretty close to your opposite line so that those 2 shuffles allow you to pass through. And when you do that step, half, cross, you are able to face each other with space in between. So I hope this helps you learn Amigos in low places. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.